guys, this here is really special. This is actually one of the gifts I also received for my first Father's Day ever. I'm gonna show you guys a beautiful, beautiful artwork done by one of the most talented artists I've seen in a long time. I'm really excited for this, and I did share it on my Instagram post, but I wanna share it on my YouTube as well. This right here is the gift. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. Big shout out to Ozzy Da Vyrus. He's an amazing artist. I got the pleasure to meet him in Super Saiyan in Orlando. Big shout out to Super Saiyan. They're amazing as well. He was promoting his stuff, and he did some artwork for them as well. So I'm gonna turn it in 3, 2, 1. Isn't that beautiful? This is legit amazing. The details on every corner, the accents, the colors, the characters, everything is amazing. It's pretty awesome. He signed it, by the way, for Father's Day. Once again, I did not purchase this. He gave it to me. So as a token of my appreciation, man, big shout out to you. You are an amazing artist, and I want everybody to please go follow this dude. He's freaking amazing. Please do so if you haven't done it yet. Ozzy Da Vyrus. I don't know if you can see it over here. But he's a legend. Thank you, Ozzy. Happy Father's Day to you as well. I'll keep you guys posted because we are gonna work in some projects together. I'm quite excited for those. But other than that, this was the showcasing, because it's literally, well, let's make it an official unboxing. There it is. This is a print. I guess that makes it an packaging out of the package unboxing, I guess. We'll call it whatever. But Ozzy, man, you are the best. Thank you so much for this gift. It means a lot to me, especially coming from you, such an amazing artist. And yeah, this is it, guys. One of my gifts for Father's Day was it came from that amazing artist. So big shout out to my guy, my dude. Thank you so much for giving me the tour of your workplace, of your warehouse. Thank you so much for inviting me and letting me take some photos for you. Much appreciated. Thank you, dude. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.